What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, good morning. And welcome back to another update on EOS. I have been covering EOS quite a lot lately. Quite some people on this channel hold and trade EOS. And it is a crypto you can actually trade easily. We have amazing volume, it's around 550 million, which compared to the market cap is about 36%. Nevertheless, 550 million is very high. In percentages of the market cap, it's high too, but that matters less than how high the volume actually is. Apart from that, EOS is actually pretty bullish today. We're up about 4%, so against Bitcoin and Ethereum, we're bullish. And yeah, and my last analysis was actually it's completed. It's completed. It's fully completed. So I wanted to take a look at that one. And to update it, I do want to say, before we get into the analysis, I have been having, or at least today, I had some trouble with analyzing EOS. I think the price action is pretty weird. I'm not sure what's causing that, and it might just be me. But I do want to say that, so maybe the accuracy of my analysis has dropped down a little bit. Hopefully not, I still did my best. But yeah, so last analysis, what we did, and I'd say it's pretty accurate. Usually I'm not that accurate, but from this level we dropped down. I thought we would find some more support here. We found that initial support around 1.65, but no more support at 1.6. Then we dropped down to this level. We found some support there, dropped down here, found some support there, and then afterwards we dropped down to that 1.4, 1.35 level. And from there we actually went up again to that price target, and that's where we're at right now. So I'd say that analysis was successful. But right now, I mean, there's just a lot of Fibonacci levels, and I'm going to delete this one. I think that is the one that's kind of that I'm struggling with, because right now what you can see is that after dropping down to 1.35, we had a bullish breakout out of that 200 EMA, and then earlier today we had a bullish breakout out of this 1.5, 1.46 cents level. Right, you can see that is actually a pretty well tested level. Apart from that, 1.5 is also a psychological key area. Okay, so we hit this level here at 1.55, and we're going down right now. So I think we'll drop down all the way to this 1.47, 1.45 cents level, and from there I do think we can get higher towards this 1.6 and 1.64 level. That's what I'm expecting. And from that level, I'm expecting a slow drop down to 1.5 again, then to 1.45, and then down to 1.4. And on top of that 1.4, I think we can actually get a strong bullish move, but that kind of depends on the market circumstances. If the market circumstances are great, when we get that drop down to 1.4 and we line up with the trend line and the 200 EMA, then we could actually get all the way up to 1.8. But for now, looking at the market circumstances right now, they're not great, and I don't think they'll be great. So for now, I think something like this is more likely, that will just stay consolidated on top of 1.4, and then when Bitcoin gets more bearish momentum, we'll drop down to this level here at 1.25, but that's more for the long term. All right, so that's my full coverage on EOS. I'm actually pretty happy with this analysis now. So I think it's pretty accurate. Obviously, I think that with all my analysis, but still. So if you do have any questions left about the analysis, or if you have any questions, feel free to ask me down in the comments. I'll always respond to that as soon as possible. For now though, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening. Wish you all a great Friday, and take care. Bye.